Hello, welcome to Floret by Golden Age Group. I'm Ivan, the sales manager at Floret. Whether you purchase a home here or considering joining our vibrant community, I'm excited to share our latest construction updates with you. Let's take a look at the exciting progress we've made recently. We are happy to report that the concrete slabs and driveways for our Stage 1 townhomes are now completed. Majority in-ground works and concrete slab installations in Stage 2 are now close to completion, paving the way for the next phase of construction. Framing works for Stage 1 townhomes are also near completion, marking another significant milestone in our development. Framing works for Stage 2 townhomes are progressively completing, bringing these new homes closer to reality. Furthermore, roofing completed for several blocks in Stage 1. Window installation completed for several blocks in Stage 1. External cladding has commenced for Stage 1 townhomes. We are incredibly excited about this progress at Floret. Thank you for joining me on this tour of our latest updates. We look forward to welcoming you to our beautiful neighborhood soon. Our new display suite is now open for private inspection. Don't hesitate to reach out if you would like more information.